was so bad you just wished that there was a solution to make it go away right away? Well, that was me this past weekend. And it was bad all around my neck and my face. And it's starting to finally feel well enough that I can put regular clothes on. You know what I'm talking about if you've ever been there. So, what did I try? The first thing I tried was the aloe vera gel, which is great and I love it, but it is sticky. And I stuck like glue to my pillowcase and had to rip it off like a Band-Aid off of my sunburn. Say no more. That was rough. So then I had the suggestion to spray apple cider vinegar all over it, including my face, because it's very refreshing. Well, apparently my brain checked out. Spraying vinegar on your face and then opening your eyes, maybe not the smartest plan. That did not feel good. Eyes and vinegar do not go well together. But it did help. It did help. So, between the vinegar, which also, by the way, made me smell like a wet, dirty dog to the point where my husband was about to put me in a different room because it smelled really bad. Thankfully, it dissipates. But between those two options giving me a little bit of trouble, I thought there has got to be another way. So I went online and I Googled, are there foods that help with sunburn? So these are the 5 foods that came up. We've got green tea, and tea bags are great actually, and this was a recommendation I got from a number of people, to boil them and then let them cool and, you know, sort of put them on your burn, and it helps draw out the heat and the sting. Cucumber slices, same thing. Sweet potato slices, same thing. Sweet potato also has some sort of an internal way of helping, but I'm not totally sure what it is. But cucumber and watermelon are also very hydrating. So if you ingest them, they hydrate your body, which is a big problem for when you're sunburned. But my favorite choice was dark chocolate. Dark chocolate. I really don't remember why they said dark chocolate, to be quite honest with you, but really I think it more has to do with the fact that you feel miserable and you want a piece of chocolate, and the chocolate makes you feel better. So then, I decided I was going to go to Facebook groups and see what people were talking about there to deal with this pain I was in. Here we go. Preparation H. I was like, what? Preparation H, condensed milk, banana peels, cucumber slices and tea were on there. Shaving cream, menthol shaving cream. I mean, the ideas kept coming and coming and coming, and some of them were like, what? So, but I settled on one that was a little more, you know, normal sounding, plus it was what I had in the house. So I took some coconut oil with lavender, peppermint, and melaleuca. The lavender brings calm to the surface of the skin and the pain. The peppermint draws out the heat and brings a cooling effect. And the person that recommended melaleuca didn't tell me why, but I put it in there anyway. So I'm not exactly sure on that one. But that was what really started to make it turn the corner for me. So that was a great suggestion. I would recommend it if you have those on hand. But yeah, I'm at the point now where the pain is minimal, but the hydration is rough. So, time to hydrate. Hopefully you got some value from this video. I actually would love to hear, because I found it quite hilarious, reading all of the suggestions. I would love to hear your suggestions on what it is that you do to help your sunburn. So put that in the comments below for me, and make sure you hit that subscribe button so that you can get on our next video. Thank you, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.